after physical properties of acids and bases. Betu, next topic is your indicator. Now, indicators are basically the substance which can detect the nature of substance. For example, you have one liquid in a test tube or in a beaker. So how can you identify its nature, whether it is acidic or basic? Only on basis of indicator. So definition of indicator: these are the substances which change their color or smell in different types of substances. Types of indicators: there are three types of indicators: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and olfactory indicators. Now, from name it's clear, natural indicators means those indicators which are found in plants are called natural indicators. For example, litmus. Now, litmus, litmus, it is prepared by symbiotic association of algae and fungi. So, litmus, it acidic solution, it turns red, while in basic solution it turns blue. Turmeric is also a natural indicator, type of natural indicator. In acidic solution there is no change in color of turmeric, while in basic solution it turns red. This you must have seen or you must have observed if by chance you'll what you can say, by chance if you drop curry on your white shirt or on your white uniform, then during washing it turns red. Why it turns red? Because your soap or your detergent contains base, that is sodium hydroxide, and due to which it turns red when it comes in contact with turmeric. Now next category, that is synthetic indicators. These are chemical substances which indicates the nature of substance, so they are known as synthetic indicators. Examples: methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Methyl orange, now you can see methyl orange in acidic solution remains red, while in basic solution yellow. B is for base, A is for acid beta. A, it remains red in acidic solution and yellow in basic solution. Phenolphthalein turns pink in basic solution, B, that is for basic solution. So phenolphthalein turns pink in basic solution while remains colorless in acidic solution. Now third category of indicator, that is olfactory indicator. So olfactory indicators, these are the substances, those who have different orders in acids and bases. You have three olfactory indicators: vanilla essence, clove oil, and onion. I am repeating the definition of olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators, these are the substances, those who have different smell in acidic and basic solutions or in acidic or basic substances. Vanilla essence give very strong smell in acidic solution, while in basic there is no strong smell. While clove oil, it gives very strong smell in acidic solution, and in base again there is no smell or very less. Onion, it gives very strong smell in basic solution but not in acidic solution.